what's your name?
Ta.
Good job. Now let's make a boat. The only supplies you can do is crayons, pencils, markers, colorful markers, anything. So let's start. Fold it like this. Crease it down. Now fold it like this. Crease it down. Now open this. Now fold it like this. So it's like a triangle. Fold it like the other one. Okay, now the top corner, you have to fold it down. Only get one piece and fold it down. I'm gonna wait for you, buddy.
I'll wait for you, buddy.
Done? Okay, now flip it. Now do the same side as the other side.
Same side and the other side.
Now, now it's a hat. Right now, Carl. Now open this. Now fold it like this corner.
Oh my gosh. I break it.
Same. Okay, now. Are you ready? Okay, I'll help you.
No. Me, Sam.
Here. Now you have to fold this up. So it's like this. Now,
Did it.
fold it like this again.
This one.
Yeah, no, that's not right. Now, if you see the little pocket down here,
See that you can pot it down here.
now pull it. So it's like another diamond.
Another diamond.
Now, if you see the top, pull it to the side. Now today, guys, bye-bye. See you later. We made a boat.
Speedboat.
Thank you for watching.
You're dirty.
Goodbye.
Dirty you.